Hello friends! Sorry for not posting any new videos recently, as I've been busy with family functions, especially my son's marriage. I'll still be tied up with wedding preparations until the end of the year, but today I wanted to share a quick video about a new addition to my life, one that's here to help me around the yard and entertain me at the same time. My Evolution Ranger 2+2 golf cart. The golf cart is getting delivered today. This cart comes with a spacious design, comfortable seating for 4, large tires for rough terrain, and a powerful lithium battery that keeps it running efficiently for long drives around the yard.
So obviously this is your start-stop button. That's what will turn it on. Once you turn it on, this is your gear selector. So you got your neutral, reverse, and drive. When it's in reverse, you obviously got your backup beeper and the camera comes on. You don't have to worry about there's no latching parking brake or any of that. Once you come to a stop, even like on the hill right here, there's an electronic motor brake that engages, so it keeps it in park like it is right now. Okay. That won't release until when you press the throttle to go. It releases, and then it will also, once it senses a stop, it automatically re-engages. So that's as far as driving it goes. This is to adjust your steering column. When you push that down, you can adjust the column to fit the driver. On this side, you have your headlights and turn signals. So right here on the end, currently the headlights are off. So that first one is like your running lights. It turns the brake lights and the front, they're called daytime running lights. It dims them. And then when you go all the way forward, it turns the low beams on. Okay. So you see how they're on now? That's the running lights and that's off. Okay. And then when you have your headlights on or off, you can also push this forward, your car, and it turns the high beams on. And then same thing with the turn signals. You push down to go left, up. Yeah. And then right here, you'll notice there's a little switch that says mute. Okay. So when you have mute on, did you hear that faint kind of like electronic growling noise when the cart starts to move? It's called a growler. It's part of the legal aspect of having an LSV vehicle. So this little mute switch turns that on and off. The mute arrow is on, you won't hear it. So like right now when you go to move, it'll just be quiet. As far as driving it and operating it goes, that's about it. Now for charging, I have your charging cable and your owner's manual here. So your charger, it only plugs in one way. There's no way to mess it up. Spot goes on the top, it just plugs in right there. Plugs into a normal wall outlet. You can use an extension cord if you need to reach something. Try not to get over 25 foot of an extension cord, and make sure it's at least the same thickness as this, not thicker. Don't go thinner. And then whenever you're done driving it, that's when you plug it in. So, obviously if you drive it for 20 minutes and you come back and then you plan to leave again in 20 minutes and drive around, you don't need to plug it in. Right. But whenever you're done using it for an extended period of time, being, 6 hours or a couple of days, just plug it in. Leave it plugged in. The charger will turn on and off as needed. Okay. So you don't have to worry about it ever overcharging. The time you go to drive it, it will be fully charged. For the underglow, you got this light switch right here. Turn that. It'll turn the lights off. Okay. But also if you leave this on, when you turn the golf cart off, the lights will turn off too. So you don't have to worry about leaving them on if the golf cart's not. But if you want to drive it and you don't want the lights on, you can turn it off. Other than that, there's not much else to it. It's pretty straightforward, very user friendly. So I don't know if they showed you. So you can change the colors in the soundbar here. So do you see this little emblem, this logo right here that looks like the soundbar? When you tap on that, that's how you can change the colors. And then to make it really fancy, so if you push and hold on it, You see the solid bar? That allows you to change the colors on the back of the sound bar. So see how I changed it to green from red? So to go between the front and the back, you just press and hold on the sound bar itself. And then you've got your radio, you got your Bluetooth. So when you go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone, you'll look for that and you will connect. And then when you flip your windshield up, it's up and just goes into these little grommets right there to hold it up. Back, it just wraps around it and now your windshield's up. Pull it, it will come back down and it just clips up there. Maintenance. So the only thing you have to worry about is your tire pressure. 3 to 4 months, whenever you notice that you need to check it in your car, check it on your cart too. Anywhere between 18 and 22. That covers you. Cart. And that is it. Golf cart is 100% yours. Here's your copy, and have a good day.
Now that we've seen the features, it's time to take it for a spin around the property. Let's see how it handles. I mainly got this cart to make it easier to get around my yard, especially when collecting harvest from the garden. No more carrying heavy loads. It's all done effortlessly now. My private road is quite long, and this golf cart makes trips to the mailbox a lot more convenient. It's not just about the utility, but also about enjoying the drive. It's smooth, quiet, and a great way to relax. I'm really loving this new addition to my daily routine, especially with everything happening this year. It's perfect for both work and a bit of leisure. I hope you enjoyed this short video. See you next time. Bye.